बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम एजुकेशन के जो रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हैं वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। आने वाला आपका जो लेक्चरर का टेस्ट है एजुकेशन का वो बहुत अच्छा होगा और ये जो टॉपिक है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान। और डिफरेंट जो टॉपिक है वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द वर्ड एजुकेशन इज ड्राइव फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड एजुकेशन। जो इसका बी ऑप्शन है वही इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। जो एजुकेशन है वो ड्राइव किया गया है लैटिन वर्ड एजू, EDUCATUM, एजुकेटम से। एजुकेशन इज द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ थ्री लैटिन वर्ड्स। एजुकेशन मीन चेंज इन बिहेवियर टू ब्रिंग आउट ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ एजुकेशन। तो ऑल ऑफ दीज, ये तीनों इसके आंसर हैं। The term educatum is also connected with Latin e meaning out and decorate, dequity mean to lead out. Education is a continuous process aimed at transforming, जो सी ऑप्शन है, information, skill and cultural heritage from generation to another. Education is a social process that enable an individual for a balanced life. Question number 7. Education is the process through which a society transit its value, norms and custom to the next generation. To educate an individual is the education of whole society. Basic element of education system is instructor. Whole education system revolve around student. In Pakistan, education modes are 3 in number. Non-formal education is also known as distance education. जैसे अल्लामा इकबाल की हो, अल्लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी की होगी, वर्चुअल वगैरह, ये नॉन फॉर्मल एजुकेशन. Informal education is concerned with the society. The education outside of the formal structure of educational institution is social education. यानी जो इंस्टीट्यूशन में नहीं पढ़ाई जाती वो सोशल एजुकेशन होती है. द एजुकेशन विच इंडिविजुअल गेट फ्रॉम देयर इन्वायरमेंट एंड सोसाइटी एंड इट डज नॉट नीड एन इंस्टीट्यूशन इज नोन एज इनफॉर्मल एजुकेशन. Question number 16. Education which is conducted in school, college and university according to the planned and organized procedure is called formal education. Individual ability are developed in a certified program, namely formal education. A spiritualistic stresses the self resolution aspect of education. Aristotle said that knowledge is virtue. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़े से ब्लर हैं, आगे ठीक हो जाएंगे. It is said that dash is the first teacher in the world. हज़रत इदरीस, हज़रत नूह, हज़रत इब्राहीम, हज़रत आदम. तो इसका ऑप्शन, इसका मुझे नहीं पता, आप इसका ऑप्शन आप बता सकते हैं. आगे क्वेश्चन थोड़े से क्लियर नहीं है तो मैं वीडियो आगे कर देती हूँ. क्वेश्चन को यहाँ से क्लियर है. इन एजुकेशन जॉन डेवी स्ट्रेस ऑन लर्निंग बाय डूइंग. In dash there are more chance of favoritism from the teacher side toward both A and B, semester system or transsemester system. The federal government mostly assists in curriculum development, accreditation and some financing of research. The education in Pakistan is generally divided into 5 levels. Article of Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan state the state shall remove literacy and provide free and compulsory secondary education within the minimum possible period 37. An integral part of the entire system of education is Examination. The present system of examination is the only cause of lowering the standard of education. Special program and project like teaching kit, a video castle, textbook, and literacy come industrial center sectors are the introduced by Federal Ministry of Education for development and improvement in education. Public organization and management of education institution in the province is the responsibility of provincial education department. It is said that public-private partnership can improve equality of education. Not professionally trained teachers are unable to train a nation. The language of instruction depends on the nature of the institution itself, whether it is an English medium school or an Urdu medium school. The higher secondary education level is also called the FSC FA. There are many type of bachelor course in Pakistan. Question number 61 है intellectual ability significantly higher than average is gifted ability. Education provided by university and other institutions that award academic degree is higher education. Education develop the root of any nation. The other name of nursery school is preschool. School is a place designed for knowledge, education, learning. So all of these an educational alternative that focus on the teaching of a student with academic, behavioral, health or physical need that cannot sufficiently be met using traditional educational program or technique is known as special education. According to 1998 national census, the definition of literacy, सी जो ऑप्शन है वो इसके अंदर आएगा, is the person of 10 plus age is literate if she can read a newspaper and write simple letter in any language. According to the Economic Survey 2016-17, Pakistan literacy state declined from 60% to 58%. Under the 18th Constitutional Amendment, education has been developed to the devoted to the provinces. There were 40 colleges and 2 universities at the time of partition 1947. According to the Economic Survey 2016-17, literacy remains 74% in the urban areas. According to the Economic Survey 2016-17, literacy remains 49% in rural areas. According to the Economic Survey 2016-17, literacy remains 81% in male in urban areas. The age group for pre-primary is 3 to 5. What was the main difficulty which delayed the constitution making in Pakistan? The distribution of power between federal and provincial government. Higher literacy rate can be achieved by the mean of investment in education. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 है. Only 63% of Pakistani children finished primary education. The standard national system of education is mainly inspired from the British system. People who are poor don't consider education as the necessity of life. 68% of Pakistani boys and 72% of Pakistani girls reach grade 5. The primary cause of increase in number of illiterate is dropout rate. As per a recent estimate, there are nearly 40 million illiterate people in Pakistan. The deprived class of society views education as useless activity. Numerically, the largest class of Pakistan is deprived class. If students leave the school without completing the compulsory education is called dropout. At primary level, the dropout ratio in Pakistan is 50% from the lap of mother, child being to know the world outside, mutual relationship, norms and value, all of these. Unemployment can lead to the antisocial thoughts in educated individual. तो ये थे हमारे पास एजुकेशन के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. आई होप आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होगी. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.